All right, good morning, guys. Welcome back. The stock I want to talk about today that's giving me a buy indication via my algorithm is Johnson and Johnson. So just looking at the data here, right, this stock is very cyclical, which typically works out pretty well for momentum trading in the momentum indicators. So as you can see here, it's recently had some downside, pretty decent downside, which gives a good buy opportunity, good entry opportunity. We've had the short 15-day simple moving average cross below the 40-day, so that indicates downward momentum. This will typically lag price. So as you can see here, right, the downward movement's already happened. Looking at the long term, right, the stock has been pretty cyclical. So there's some good buy and sell points there to make a good bit of money on the upside. Volumes went up in the recent days, as you can see here. Trading has gone up due to recent news, and that has played into the downside, which gives a good buy opportunity, right? Price point oscillators down below 20, which means the stock's on sale, as well as the stochastic. So stochastic is hit the deck hard. That due to the downward in price movement or downwards in the price movement here, and then moving average, convergence, divergence also down near the deck. So this stock is on sale right now. A good buy. I anticipate it going back up. As you can see here on some of its data. So this is just based off of Python. I pull this from a Python program that I run and bring it over here to my Google Sheets file. But this is just some analyst info data. So as far as some of the estimates they have for earnings per share, all above 10, which is pretty good. My current estimates have the price of the stock up near 170, 180, which is pretty decent upside. So as you can look at the cycles here, it's where the high point's been. So it should return back up there. That's a nice $20 gain on this stock if you buy in at this point and sell at that point. Revenues looking to be pretty good. Sales growth year per estimate going up. EPS, so earnings per share, right? They recently had at the end of June, they had a negative surprise. So, right, probably contributes to this negative sentiment a little bit. Here's back in June. So here's some downward momentum. The next earnings date is in October, so you have a little bit there as far as until their next earnings comes out. But they do anticipate, right, earnings to be pretty decent. As far as estimates, right, estimates have gone up in the recent future, so it's gone from 11 3 months ago to 11.32 as of 7 days ago for the estimates. So looking pretty good for this stock. And then as well, so looking at our growth estimates, so next quarter, pretty decent growth for the current year, pretty decent growth. Next year, still expected to have good growth. So if you look at the growth this quarter, so negative 1.6, as mentioned, probably contributes down to that negative sentiment for the next 5 years. If you're planning on holding this stock long term, 5.60 is what the analysts predict for the growth. But all in all, like I said, based off just momentum training and how cyclical this stock is, probably a good entry point here as far as buying into the stock and be able to ride it up here on its next upswing. So please let me know if you like this video, and thanks. Have a good day. Good luck.